Hello students, are you ready for another day of discovery, exploration, and investigation? I am Teacher Roy, your co-explorer, and together let's take the journey into the amazing world of science. For today, we're going to talk about the types of volcanoes and volcanic eruptions. The most essential learning competency that will be covered for our lesson for today is to describe the different types of volcanoes and volcanic eruption. But before that, let us have some sort of quick review. Let us analyze the structure of a volcano. Let us begin from the bottom. We have here the magma chamber. The magma chamber is a large pool of liquid rock beneath the surface of the earth. It is the origin or the source of magma. The second part is what we call as the main vent. A volcano's main vent is the weak point in the Earth's crust where hot magma has been able to rise from the magma chamber and reach the surface. Another part is what we call as the crust. Here we are referring to the layers of the volcano. We also have here the side vent. The side vent is an opening in the side of the volcano through which the volcanic materials like the lava and gases erupt. Another part is what we call as the parasitic cone. A parasitic cone is a cone-shaped accumulation of volcanic material not part of the central vent of a volcano. It forms from eruption from fractures on the flank of a volcano. Another part is what we call as the lava. The lava is a molten rock that has been expelled from the interior of a planet, just like in the Earth. So when the magma is being released into the exterior part, it is now called as the lava. We also have here the crater. The crater is a circular depression around a volcanic vent. This is where the lava, ash, and rock erupt out of a volcano. We also have smoke and ash. These are some of the volcanic materials which is being released during eruption. And the last one is what we call as the cinders. Cinder is a pyroclastic material. Cinders are extrusive igneous rock. They are fragments of solidified lava. Now, let us define the word volcano. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust that allows molten rock, gases, and debris to escape in the surface. And then, we have three types of volcanoes according to shape. And these are the composite volcano, the cinder cone volcano, and what we call as the shield volcano. Let us discuss them one by one. Let us start first with that of a composite volcano. A composite volcano is known as stratovolcano. Strato means to say it is consists of layers. It is tall, symmetrical, and with steep sides. Another characteristic is that commonly composite volcanoes erupt hot gases, ash, lava, and pumice as well as stiff, slow-moving lava. Their eruptions are dangerous and explosive in nature, with many layers of lava and pyroclastic materials. Examples of composite volcano are first is Mount Fuji and the second one is Mount Mayon. Mount Fuji is located in Japan, while Mount Mayon is located in Legazpi Albay in the Philippines. Another type of volcanic type is the cinder cone volcano. Cinder cone, these are circular or oval cones built from erupting lava that breaks into small pieces as it shoots into the air. The opening of a cinder cone is a cone-shaped structure, while the tips are formed of the erupted, fragmented cinders that fall close to the chimney or the vent. It is less dangerous compared to other types of volcano. Examples of cinder cone volcano are Capulin volcano, and the other one is Mount Taal. Capulin volcano is located in New Mexico, while Mount Taal is located in the Philippines. And the last type of volcano is what we call as the shield volcano. A shield volcano, these are shaped like a bowl or a shield in the middle with long gentle slope made by the lava flows. May be tall but tend to be very broad with less steep slope than other volcanoes. Shield volcanoes can be huge because of their ample supply of magma. If the magma is runny, the gas can escape easily and there will be non-explosion. The magma just comes out of the mountain and flows down the sides. Examples of shield volcano are Mount Mauna Loa, and we also have here Mount Canlaon. Mount Mauna Loa is located in Hawaii, while Mount Canlaon is located in the Philippines. Now let us talk about the types of eruption. When speak of eruption, we are referring to the release of volcanic materials during volcanic activity. Examples of the type of eruption includes phreatic or hydrothermal. We also have phreatomagmatic, strombolian, volcanian, and plinian. Let us differentiate them one by one. The first one is the phreatic or hydrothermal. Example of that is Mount Taal eruption in Batangas. It is a steam-driven eruption as the hot rocks come in contact with the water. Just like a boiling water, when water comes in contact with the source of heat, it will be converted into steam. It is short-lived, characterized by ash columns, but may be an onset for a larger eruption. Another type of volcanic eruption is phreatomagmatic. So example of that would be the eruption of Mount Fukoto-toku Okonaba in Bonin Island in Japan. This is characterized by a violent eruption due to the contact between water and magma. As a result, a large column of very fine ash, high-speed and sideway emission of pyroclastic called base surges are observed. Another type of eruption is what we call as the strombolian. Example of that is Mount Irazu eruption in Costa Rica. Strombolian is a periodic weak to violent eruption characterized by fountain lava, just like the fountain fireworks. It is named after a small volcano island of Stromboli located between Sicily and Italy. Another type of eruption is volcanian. Example of that would be the eruption of Mount Paricutin in Mexico. It is characterized by tall eruption columns that reach up to 20-kilometer high with pyroclastic flow and ashfall tephra. It is said to be stronger than strombolian eruption, but much weaker than plinian eruptions. And the last type of eruption is what we call as the plinian. Example of that is the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in Zambales, an excessively explosive type of eruption of gas and pyroclastic. When we speak of pyroclastic flow, it is a dense, fast-moving flow of solidified lava pieces, volcanic ash, and hot gases. Now let us summarize our lesson for today. Today we talk about a volcano, and volcano can be categorized according to types or shape and types of eruption. According to shape, we have three: the composite, cinder cone, and the shield volcano. The types of volcano according to eruption are phreatic, phreatomagmatic, strombolian, volcanian, and explain yan. Hey students, thank you for watching and hope you learned something for our lesson for today. See you next meeting.